Did you know that a single bale of straw can transform your entire garden, boosting plant health, cutting down on weeds, and even helping you water less? In today's episode of Don't Do This Guide, we're going to break down exactly why you should consider mulching with straw in your garden. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the most significant advantages of using straw mulch: its incredible ability to lock in moisture. Picture this. It's a scorching summer day, and your garden soil is baking under the intense sun. Without mulch, that precious moisture evaporates into thin air, leaving your plants thirsty and stressed. But here's where straw mulch swoops in to save the day. That layer of straw acts like a protective blanket, significantly reducing evaporation and keeping that moisture locked in where it belongs, around your plant's roots. This means you won't have to spend as much time dragging out the hose or sprinkler, saving you precious time and effort. Nobody enjoys spending hours battling those pesky weeds that seem to pop up overnight. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to keep those weed warriors at bay? Enter straw mulch, your new best friend in the fight against weeds. By applying a thick layer of straw around your plants, you're effectively creating a barrier that blocks sunlight from reaching the soil below. Without sunlight, those pesky invaders don't stand a chance. Instead of spending countless hours weeding, you'll have more time to focus on the fun stuff, like harvesting your bounty or simply relaxing in your beautiful weed-free garden. Straw mulch acts as a natural temperature regulator for your soil, like a cozy blanket for your plant's roots. In the heat of summer, bare soil can reach scorching temperatures, baking your plant's roots and stressing them out. But with a layer of straw mulch, you're creating a protective barrier that insulates the soil, keeping it cooler during those sweltering days. In colder climates, straw mulch acts like a warm blanket, preventing the ground from freezing solid and protecting those delicate roots from frost damage. Soil erosion might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about gardening challenges, but trust me, it's a serious issue. Heavy rain and strong winds can wreak havoc on bare soil, washing or blowing away that precious topsoil that your plants need to thrive. But fear not, because straw mulch is here to save the day once again. Think of it as a protective net that shields your soil from the elements. When rain falls, instead of pounding directly onto the soil and carrying it away, it's gently dispersed by the straw. This allows the water to slowly seep into the ground, nourishing your plants without causing erosion. By preventing soil erosion, straw mulch helps you maintain a healthy and productive garden for years to come. We all love getting a little something extra for our money, right? Well, that's precisely what straw mulch delivers. As straw mulch breaks down over time, it releases valuable nutrients back into the soil. Think of it as slow-release, all-natural fertilizer that your plants can access gradually throughout the growing season. This gradual breakdown process also improves soil structure, making it more aerated, which in turn promotes healthy root development. It's a win-win situation. Let's talk about the amazing world of beneficial insects and microorganisms that call your garden home. These tiny creatures play a vital role in maintaining a healthy and balanced ecosystem right in your backyard. And guess what? Straw mulch acts like a welcome mat, inviting these beneficial critters to set up shop and get to work. Beneficial insects and microorganisms are like the city's unsung heroes, the waste collectors, pest control officers, and nutrient recyclers that keep everything running smoothly. Straw mulch provides these beneficial organisms with the perfect habitat, a moist, protective layer where they can thrive and multiply. This means you'll have a whole army of tiny helpers working behind the scenes to keep your garden healthy and pest-free. It's like creating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. We've already touched on how straw mulch improves soil structure as it decomposes, but let's dive a little deeper into why this is so important. Healthy soil isn't just a solid mass, it's a living, breathing ecosystem with pores and channels that allow for air, water, and nutrients to circulate freely. When soil becomes compacted, those vital pathways get squeezed shut, making it difficult for roots to grow and access the resources they need. Here's where straw mulch comes in, acting like a gentle mediator for your soil. Its presence helps to prevent compaction, allowing the soil to breathe and maintain its loose, crumbly structure. This improved aeration and drainage create an ideal environment for root development, leading to stronger, healthier plants. There's nothing quite as satisfying as harvesting a basket full of fresh, homegrown fruits and vegetables. But what's not so satisfying is finding your precious produce covered in dirt, mud, or worse, slugs and snails. But don't worry, straw mulch is here to ensure your harvest is as clean and delicious as it can be. By creating a barrier between the soil and your fruits and vegetables, straw mulch prevents them from coming into direct contact with the ground, keeping them clean and free from dirt and debris. This is especially beneficial for vining crops like strawberries, cucumbers, and melons, which often rest directly on the soil. No more muddy strawberries or gritty lettuce. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: budget-friendly gardening. Straw mulch is one of the most affordable mulching materials out there. Compared to other options like wood chips or bark, straw is significantly cheaper, especially if you buy it in bulk. And if you're lucky enough to have a local farm or feed store nearby, you might even be able to score some straw for free or at a heavily discounted price. So, if you're looking for a cost-effective way to mulch your garden and reap all the amazing benefits we've discussed, straw mulch is the clear winner. We've talked a lot about the practical benefits of straw mulch, but let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal it brings to your garden. Straw mulch provides a clean, natural look that complements any garden style, whether you're going for a rustic farmhouse vibe, a formal English garden, or a modern, minimalist aesthetic. The golden hue of the straw creates a beautiful contrast against the vibrant green foliage of your plants, making them pop even more. It's like adding the finishing touch to a work of art. Let's be real, not all of us have hours to dedicate to meticulous garden maintenance every week. Life gets busy, and sometimes our gardens need to fit into our hectic schedules, not the other way around. Unlike some other mulching options that require frequent replenishing or fussing over, straw mulch is incredibly low maintenance. Once you've applied a good layer in the spring or fall, you can pretty much sit back, relax, and let it do its thing. Straw mulch is the perfect solution for busy gardeners who want maximum results with minimal effort. In today's world, it's more important than ever to adopt sustainable practices that are kind to our planet. The good news is that straw mulch aligns perfectly with sustainable gardening principles. It's a natural, renewable resource that's biodegradable, meaning it breaks down naturally over time without leaving behind any harmful residues. By using straw mulch, you're reducing your reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, which can pollute waterways and harm beneficial insects. So by choosing straw mulch, you're not just making a smart gardening decision, you're making a conscious choice to protect the environment and preserve it for future generations. Using straw mulch is more than just a quick fix or a temporary solution. It's an investment in the long-term health, productivity, and sustainability of your garden. By improving soil structure, boosting fertility, and creating a more hospitable environment for plants to thrive, straw mulch sets the stage for years of successful gardening to come. Consider them a wise investment in your garden's future. So there you have it. Straw mulch might look simple, but its impact on your garden is extraordinary. From locking in moisture and banishing weeds, to nurturing a complex web of beneficial life beneath the surface, straw mulch is a power player in sustainable, productive gardening. If you enjoyed this breakdown and feel like you've gained some valuable insights, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more tips, tricks, and no-nonsense advice on how to make your garden flourish without unnecessary headaches, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Until next time, happy growing.